Open the front door. Remove the toner cartridge drum unit assembly from the machine and place it on paper in front of the machine. Press the green toner lock lever to unlock the toner cartridge from the drum. Grasp the toner cartridge handle and remove the toner cartridge from the drum. Recycle the used toner cartridge when possible. Remove the toner cartridge from any packaging and remove any protective covers. Gently shake the cartridge back and forth at least 6 times to loosen the contents. Install the new toner cartridge into the toner drum unit assembly. Make sure the cartridge has clicked into the locked position. Clean the corona wire inside the toner drum unit assembly by gently sliding the green corona cleaning tab right to left, left to right several times. Be sure to return the corona cleaning tab to the home position. The arrow on the tab must be aligned with the arrow on the toner drum assembly unit. If not, prints may show a vertical line. Install the toner drum unit assembly back into the machine. Close the front door.